People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
I'm Honorable Julius Ochieng, a former member of parliament representing Kaplebion constituency in the Teso. Your Excellency, I stand here to bring the attention of the people of Teso to the central area of Kampala. Your Excellency, my standing here is a true testimony that you have managed to deliver the party of Nup to eastern Uganda and more so in Teso area. With me here are young and vibrant men and women that the elders of Teso have given an assurance and a directive to come here and join the party at the headquarters and be the flag bearers of this mighty party in the Teso sub-region. Mr. President, in the previous election, I want to admit there isn't enough work done. But Mr. President, you have entered the heart of Teso now. Mr. President, when you came to Teso, you made the representative of 205,000 elders that marched to court to challenge the government of President Museveni. The regime in power had done so many atrocities across Teso sub-region. Atrocities that cannot be left unmentioned. Mr. President, there are over 15 mass graves which have not been opened in the region, containing large numbers of people who are killed by the regime in power. And they are ashamed of allowing us to open the mass graves in the region. Mr. President, they raped our women, they raped our children, the girls. Mr. President, they murdered them in cold blood. Mr. President, they abducted them. We had thousands and thousands fed from Teso to Kibura and Namsojo for only not understanding the word Mama Jenny. When the soldiers asked in Swahili, our local people could not understand Swahili. They would respond the local language that Mama Jenny. That was the crime, to make them fill the trailers and brought to Kibura and Namsojo and fed with raw milk so that they are killed by diarrhea in the prisons. And all of them never returned to Teso. And I've been asking government or President Museveni, where are their bones? Give us the permission to go and bury them. On those grounds, Mr. President, in my sub-county, over 365 massacres with choppers, with the military, and we buried them. We have been asking President Museveni, come and say sorry to the people of Uganda. They fitted them in a wagon in Mukura and massacred 67 in one day, apart from other sites. Your Excellency, we managed as a community of Teso to go to the high courts of Uganda and defeated the government of the day in the high courts. And the high courts awarded us over 4 trillion. Now they are paying other people, not those who went to court. They have decided to parade their own agents. And those are the ones Attorney General Sibise pay. I appeal to you, Mr. President, and the leader of opposition in Parliament. Help us divide the money that Parliament approved. They approve in the name of Teso. But when it comes payment, they pay their agents. And they leave the people who go to court, who went to court. I would like to beg Mr. Locke, I would like to lead a delegation of elders to your office so that you arrange a meeting with the Attorney General to divide the money that the government allocated according to the cases that were won in court, so that the elders will have time to rest. Otherwise, you will continue to appropriate the money and they pay their cadres. You, the people who have come here, first of all, before I say much, I blame you, the people of Uganda. I blame you very strongly. Why? We, the people in the north and the east, who had rejected these people from the beginning. And you people took them to their beds. You have taken them to your rooms. You can see the destruction he has caused you. They even forgot that it is you who helped them come to power. Now you are the losers. You have lost the land in Uganda. Very honest, you have lost land in Uganda, and they are now eating you like a Ssenyonyi. We told you, let's join hands. You shied away, and you left us suffering. You left us facing the battle alone. Now we left the battle and went to court. We have defeated them in court. We are very happy, Your Excellency, you have woken the people of Uganda. And now liberation is coming from Uganda. You support the rest of the country, we join hands so that we liberate our country. I want you to remove accusing finger from the West. We have to cherish national values. There are only few individuals in the West that have tormented our country and destroyed our country to the level we see. Not everybody in the West. We must proclaim this party to propel the position of national reconciliation as our policy, so that we bring everybody, whether north or east or west, together for the liberation of this country for another term. And all of us must pursue that policy of national reconciliation. I appeal the president and the team, never miss that word in your mouth when you are going. Let's proclaim national reconciliation as a party. Me speaking here, I was a member of Uganda People's Congress and I was in the tennis parliament. I have told my people in Teso, because Akena is enjoying eating the other side, let's all join national unity platform for the liberation of Uganda. And we are now moving. I have asked all the UPC candidates, all of them, to convert to the national unity platform. We now need your support. When we ask you to travel from central Uganda to the north, to the west, please sacrifice to the bone marrow so that we liberate this country. We are not here for a job, and we are not here for a sellout. We want to put a determination, national determination for liberation of this country. That's what we need to do. Mr. President, allow me because of time. With me here, these are candidates that the region has presented. They have come, and we are still mobilizing. More to come. And we will at an appropriate time ask the party to do the vetting. Secretary General told me we will be moving around the country. I think that arrangement could be organized at a sub-regional level to cut the costs, so that we finally have key leaders on the ground. We are still mobilizing. Those who lost in the NRM, they are now pleading. We are saying the door will be open and all of you will be welcome and we sort out. We know the mistake was not yours, but sometimes an individual can be compromised here and there. But we still welcome you. So I will give them each just to say a name and the constituency standing, because they are already candidates. Then I will make a closure. Mr. President, I thank you for accepting to listen us at this particular moment.
This is Oluka Ivan, Gogonyo County, Palisa District. People power? Our power. People power. I'm called Dr. Joseph, Kibale County, Palisa District, MPB.
Elupe Meshulam, Soroti County, MP.
Ochailaf Michael, Ngariam County, Kataku District, MP.
Yoga Kere! Yoga Kere! Eka Kiro Nyara Jonga Mugero Duka, Alamuntingo Mora District, former MP. Yes,